The Aam Aadmi Party is all set to launch its plan for the upcoming Gujarat Assembly polls. After registering an impressive win in Punjab, the AAP will now start a drive in Gujarat. In a Twitter post yesterday, the AAP wrote, "After Delhi and Punjab, now Gujarat wants AAP. The AAP will kick off Tiranga Yatra in Gujarat in April this year. The yatra will be taken out in tehsils and village panchayats in all districts of Gujarat. AAP chief Arvind Kejriwal and his party's chief minister's face in Punjab, Bhagwat Mann, will visit Gujarat soon." Today, a day after the BJP secured a victory in Uttar Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Goa and Manipur, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has now shifted his focus to poll-bound Gujarat and held a mega roadshow in Ahmedabad. The roadshow is planned from the Ahmedabad airport to the BJP state office in Gandhinagar and is slated to cover 6 kilometers. PM Modi, who is on a 2-day visit to Gujarat on March 11th and 12th, is set to address a rally of over 1 lakh elected representatives of panchayat bodies. Today, Samajwadi Party chief Akhilesh Yadav said that his party had shown that BJP's seat share can be reduced. He was commenting on his party's performance in the Uttar Pradesh Assembly election, the results of which came yesterday. The Samajwadi Party won 111 seats, emerging as the second largest party in the election. The SP-led alliance won 125 seats, the Rashtriya Lok Dal securing 8 seats and the Suheldev Bharatiya Samaj Party bagging 6. The Samajwadi Party had contested 347 seats while the RLD and SPSP vied for 33 and 19 seats respectively. The BJP won the UP Assembly election by a massive margin by securing victory on 255 seats. The BJP-led alliance scored 273 seats. The Bahujan Samaj Party managed to win only one of the 403 assembly seats in Uttar Pradesh. Following the party's performance in the UP polls, BSP chief Mayawati urged party workers to not feel discouraged and promised a comeback in the future. Addressing a press conference, Mayawati said, and I quote, "UP election results are opposed to BSP's expectations. We should not be discouraged by it. Instead, we should learn from it, introspect, carry forward our party movement and come back to power." She said that the UP poll results are an important lesson for the BSP for the future.